So we promised in the previous video to learn about sliding, because the sliding is much more important in projects and the web page. Actually, in websites we are using too much the slidings, and if you remember, or maybe you have seen how the sliding, the pictures slide has their own sliding, and maybe you have seen with slideshows in the web page. So but now I will show you the simple way how can use these methods and effects, and then later you can use this function, effects in your projects, guys. That's the different three different methods. So one of them is slide down, and then second one is slide up, and then next one is slide toggle. So with jQuery you can create a sliding effect on elements. First of all, I'm going to show you how we can do that, and then the same syntax will be actually the syntax, normal syntax in jQuery is like that: selector, and then what we want is slide, let's say up, slide up, and or slide down, and then right over here should be speed and callback. Okay, that's the normal syntax. So let's give just one example and show you exactly what I mean. And firstly, I'm going to create an index HTML, something different, and let's say I have just one div, and then in div I will give div ID slide click. That will be click the click here for sliding. Okay, so now we have div ID, and then second div is let's say we have main. Okay, so I will write over here learn jQuery with us. So now we have two different divs with slide and main IDs, and then now I'm going to go to the style CSS, and here I will use this slide and main, that's ID, so that's why slide, and let's write main as well. I want to give some padding, no, just one padding. Let's write 10 pixel, and then text align center. Okay, so background color I want to give green. Okay, then border 1 or 2 pixel, solid solid gray. Okay, so now for the main, I mean let's write different. That's padding. I want to give some 8 pixels. Then this, save that. Okay, and then save that and go to the scripts. Let's write let's see that actually in our project here. Yeah, you have this one, and what I do now, I'm going to do the same thing, document document, no, yeah, dot ready, and function, open up my Jquery here. Then I'm going to use firstly that was first one was slide, because I want to click the slide. So I've clicked. Okay, now here another function, open, do here. After clicking slide, I will get something like that. Main slide down. Okay, so I will see that slowly. Save that and go to page. Now we can't actually click oh right, a display noun, because we don't have display noun. Then again click. Yep, just again click. Yes. Now that's the way how actually our slide down Jquery slide down method will work, and we can do that with slide up method as well. So there will be something different, only nothing different, only just right over here slide up, and I don't need right over here display noun. Save that and save my script as well, and refresh, click. Okay, so refresh, click. Okay, so the next one is we have seen already slide up and slide down and slide toggle method. This toggle method toggles between the slide down and slide up method. So you will do only here slide toggle. Okay, slide toggle, and but we need display noun, because we will do something different. 1 2 1 2. Yeah, that's a slide toggle method. We can do it with Jquery, guys. That's the better to use. So thank you so much. See you in the next one. Okay, in this last video, I'm going to talk about Jquery callback functions. So actually, callback function should be executed after the current element is or current effect is finished. Okay, so in JavaScript, as you know, all statements are executed line by line, and however, with effects, we are using in Jquery effects. So the next line of code should be or can be run even though the effect is not finished. So that creates some errors. So to prevent this problem, you can create a callback function, and I will show you actually again these callbacks, how their syntax actually. So the selector, and we are using a height and then writing some speed and callback. Okay, that's normal syntax. And just one example, I'm going to show you the callback parameter, that is a function that will execute it after the hide effect is hide effect is completed. Okay, so let's write. Let's say that we have some button. We want to just click button let's write document ready function. Okay, so open up, and right over here we want to affect the button, because I want to click the button, and then after clicking, writing the function. So then I want to affect all paragraphs and then hide them. Okay, hide them. So with slow, and I tell the callback, so as a function I want to have alert that we have callback. Okay, so save that, and then go to here, the button, the last one, it was this one. Okay, save that, and then save that as well. Alright, not this one. Okay, so refresh the page and see what happens. Height doesn't work. Why it doesn't work? Because let's write in 1p. I don't need DOM3. I don't need the second and third p as well. Let's do it a little bit clear and do it here. Save that, then see what. Okay, delete and save that. Now document ready function, we have button click function, and then I want to hide slow function, and then have an alert that we have callback. Alright, save that and refresh. I have height. Okay, so with slow motion I've made that, and then later I have now alert. So in this code, actually we had the alert after the hide effect is completed. Okay, so now I want to change something, and then let's write click function and the p height, just only height 1000. Okay, so I don't have callback. Here. If I don't have callback, what will happen as an alert? We don't have. Okay, save that and refresh the page. Height. Firstly, I will get alert, and then height. So you have seen the difference. So if we don't have callback parameter, the alert box will be displayed before the hide effect is completed. Thank you so much.